What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and I'm cold. And we're out here tonight at a meet that I've never been to before, Neo Meets. We're out here at this place called The Dugout, which is like a baseball version of Topgolf. Looking super cool. Got a lot of cars out tonight. We're here a little bit early, so we'll get to watch some guys roll in. Looked like they bought out the venue, so there's some inside parking too. But it's more JDM sorts of tuner stuff, so this is gonna be cool. That is actually sweet. They're even parking these things inside. We got an R34 trying to fit in here. This sounds really good. Looks like we got kind of like Skyline Alley here. The red R34. This is dope. Look at them. Meow. Jesus. We got a couple R33s lined up. The Bayside Blue. The Midnight Purple. I don't know. Is there some like fancy yellow? I mean, I like it. I like all the colors going on here. Got the Z going through. Tight squeeze, tight squeeze. Like my booty cheeks. Oh my goodness, we got the infinity on the swangers. We got the low Yodi pulling in. I want to check this out before the weather gets too nasty out here. They got the RX-7 coming in. A Mustang in here, man. This is crazy. That wrap is crazy. Yeah, never been in one of these before. I want to come to all of these now. I made the right choice tonight. There's so many cool things on the lawn. Got the Viper, bunch of Civics, and then my cup of tea back here. Got a couple FRSs. The wide body. Very, very cool. Got a Rocket Bunny 350Z convertible. Very nice with the white wheels. Couple Infinities back here. Another 350Z. Man, cars as far as the eye can see. We got a full parking lot, and it's bound to happen in a spot like this. Something's bound to go wrong. But got a GR86 with a cool wing. I haven't seen one of these before. It's kind of like the WRX style. I don't know, what do you guys think about that? That's interesting. On the list for sure. I did see a couple clean cars over here. Let's see if we can find them. Tucked away, here's a little hidden gem. Man, I can't wait to be riding around in one of these. Mr. Jake, his is gonna be done super soon. I'm excited. I've never ever been in one before, but seeing a couple of them out like this one, the Apostapa, I need it. Yes! Speaking of the devil, here's another one. And the NSX. Got a couple GTRs here tucked away. This one looks pretty stock. Yeah, definitely nothing going on here. It's my lucky day. Anything left in here? Nope. Man. They're about to do sumo wrestling, bro. This guy's got his shirt off in like 30-degree weather. I hope he wins. 2 likes and I'll go out there.
Ready, crowd, hits! Whoa, I didn't hear nobody's situation. Let me stand right here in the middle. All right, let's try that again. Yee! All right, I didn't hear you. Y'all say it here. This is y'all's warm. Do the next one. Sorry you didn't say it. But we're gonna say it together.
Ready? Next one, let's go! You guys are yours. Let's go. Hands up!
Y'all maybe come up to you. The next one, let's go. Legs up.
Gonna be like, you say like Jordan wants to go sumo wrestling.
Oh, we're gonna stand next to you.
Holy moly. Look at this infinity, bro. Full custom engraved engine bay. Got the engraved 4 Giottos. And then someone's gonna have to enlighten me on what's going on in here. He's got like 10 radios. Is that for all the subs? Holy! I could eat back there. Moving from the sumos to the dragons. Dragons are throwing it back on it. I know he's cold, man. I know he's cold. Let's go. Let's go, Jordan. Everywhere. Woo! Yeah! 2 for 2. Yeah! Shoo! You're getting the hang of it. Call this last one, call it. Dinger. Whoa. Here you go, kid. Whoa.
That would have been a homer. Good job.
That was a fail. Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen, that was actually pretty fun. We might have to come back to this place, and we're definitely going to be coming back to another Neo meet in the future. It's very cold. It's Sunday night, and we got to get ready for work in the morning. So, me and Jordan signing off. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you
Tomorrow.